Shall we solve?
Yes, sir.
This is a very important concept because this concept will be repeated in number of topics.
Yes, sir.
And also in nuclear modern physics also. Let us see the conservation of Nine kg explodes into two pieces of 3 kg and 6 kg. 9 kg bomb explodes
Yes,
into two pieces. One is of 3 kg and other is of 6 kg.
Universe unmute ಮಾಡೋದಿನ್ನ
Then question is asked is the velocity of 3 kg piece is 16 meter per second. The kinetic energy of 6 kg. You tell me how to approach this problem from the previous topic, from the previous day classes inferences. How to approach this question? Tell me, Nivas. You muted yourself. Okay. How to approach? Can you unmute yourself and tell me the approach? If you see this question.
sir, that linear momentum is equal to P1 plus P2 plus P3 like that if we add on.
So the point is, initially the bomb is at rest. We did not give any information. It is at rest. It suddenly
Yes, sir.
because it is due to internal force, the explosion. Is due to internal force. Then momentum should be conserved, right?
Yes, sir.
That is the principle. That means initial is 0 because the bomb is at rest. Final momentum will also be how much? Right?
Yes, sir.
Final momentum is what? Mass of 3 kg. Initially 0 is equal to 3 into v1 vector plus 6 into what? v2 vector, right? Got it? 3 kg into v1 vector, velocity of 3 kg, and 6 into v2 vector, velocity of 6 kg. Then that implies how much? 3 v1 vector is equal to minus 6 v2 vector. Got it? So actually, how can we write this one? 3 can be cancelled 2 times. v1 vector is equal to minus 2 v2 vector. That means if you want to write in a simple manner, magnitude of v1 vector is equal to 2 times of magnitude of v2 vector. Isn't it right? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you explain it again, sir?
Initial momentum is 0 because the bomb is at rest, right? Final momentum is also 0.
Yes, sir.
With 3 into v1 vector, finally 3 kg mass, now 1 v1 velocity vector. 6 kg mass vector, I took it as. Then 3 v1 vector is equal to minus 6 v2 vector. 3, 6 in 6 it will go by minus 2 times. v1 vector is equal to minus 2 v2 vector. Now this v1 vector can also be written as magnitude of v1 into v1 cap, that is equal to minus 2 into v2 magnitude of v2 into v2 cap. Got it? Do you know vectors? v1 vector is equal to v1 cap is equal to, that is unit vector in the direction of v1 is equal to v1 vector divided by magnitude of v1 vector. v1 vector can also be written as magnitude of V1 vector into V1 cap. Do you know this or not? Do you know this or not? Do you know this or not? Tell me.
Sir, we know this, sir.
Uh-huh.
Know this, sir.
I'm unable to hear.
Sir, we know this, sir.
That means what? Here V1 magnitude will be equal to V2 magnitude or not? Magnitude.
Yes, sir.
Then what is V2? V2 is 6 kg mass volume. V2 magnitude is equal to V1 by 2 or not?
Yes, sir.
That means what? If V2 is equal to V1 per second, then V2 is equal to 8 meters per second or not?
Yes, sir.
Kinetic energy is equal to how much? Half into mass into V2 square, that is 64. It was at 12, 1, 6, 18, 19. 19 will be the answer. Got it? Drupada, did you understand? Nivas, did you understand?
I understood, sir.
Find out the velocity and then whatever the question that is asked. Drupada, did you understand? Then let us solve. Let us solve the next question. This entire questions you need to practice. The very important question.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, that what is the difference between a cap and cap, sir? Like, what does that cap denote, sir? V cap. Is that just like an I cap, J cap, K cap, like that?
But cap is nothing but a unit vector along a V vector.
Okay, sir.
I cap is a unit vector along x-axis, right?
Yes, sir.
So V cap is a unit vector along V vector.
Yes, sir.
Can you see the questions in the book itself? Because
From where, sir?
can you see the question that I sent you in the PDF? Because I'm unable to copy it. The question is, next question is, a bomb initially at rest explodes by itself into 3 equal mass fragments, 3 parts. The velocity of 2 fragments are three fragments. It's got split into. Velocity of 2 fragments are 3 I cap plus 2 J cap into 3 equal mass. Suppose if you consider this as mass m, first mass will have m by 3, second mass will have m by 3, third mass will be m by 3. First mass has 3 I cap plus 2 J cap velocity. Second mass has minus I cap minus 4 J cap velocity. The question is velocity of the third mass. Did you get the question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Again, the concept is a bomb initially at rest bomb is exploded. That means initial momentum is how much? System for the entire system, entire bomb.
0, sir.
So final momentum should be
0.
because there is no external force involved in it. That is the important point. So final momentum is what? Final momentum is equal to m1 into v1 vector plus m2 into v2 vector plus m3 into what? 3 masses are there, isn't it? Final momentum. That should be equal to how much, Drupada?
0, sir.
0. So what is m1 here? M by 3. Because equal masses they are divided. I consider the entire mass to be m. M by
Yes, sir.
3 into v1 vector is how much? 3i cap plus 2j cap
Yes, sir.
plus m2 is m by 3 into minus I cap
Minus I cap minus
minus
4J.
4j cap plus m3 is m by 3 into v3 vector is equal to 0 or not?
Yes, sir.
Now we need to find out this v3 vector. That's it. That is the question asked. The velocity of the third fragment is. Got it?
Yes, sir.
If I can send this entire term to the right side, then I will get m by 3 v3 vector is equal to m by 3 into minus, because it will become minus m by 3 into vi cap plus 2j cap. This will plus will become again minus
Minus
m by 3 into minus I cap minus 4j cap. Got it?
minus 4J cap. Yes, sir.
Simply I'm trying to simplify. Then m can get cancelled because all of them are having m. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So 3 get cancelled. Common you can take and get cancelled or not.
Yes, sir.
v3 vector is equal to minus into plus, that is minus 3i cap minus into plus, that is minus 2j cap. Now this minus into minus, that is plus I cap minus into minus, that is plus 4j cap. Got it?
2i plus 4J cap. 2i cap plus
2i
4J cap.
Okay. Minus 2i
Minus 2i
plus,
plus 2J cap. V3 is equal to minus 2i plus 4J.
the answer will be minus 2i plus 2j cap. That will be the answer. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Same concept you can apply. Another next question.
So can you scroll up, sir? 1 second. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Another question.
Yes, sir.
Question. A bomb of 50 kg is fired from a cannon with a velocity of 600 meters per second, right?
Yes, sir.
Bomb of 50 kg is fired from a cannon with a velocity of 600.
600 meter per second.
If the mass of the cannon is
10 kg, what? Then what is velocity?
cube kg, 10 cube kg,
Yes, sir.
then its velocity will be. So first, if I take cannon and one system, what is the initial momentum? Tell me.
0, sir.
The final momentum should be
0.
0.
0, sir.
Final momentum is what? Mass of the cannon into velocity of the cannon plus mass of the bomb.
Ball.
Velocity of the
Bomb.
bomb should be equal to.
Velocity of the bomb is equal to 0.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Then mass of the cannon into velocity of the cannon
10 cube.
minus mb into vb vector, right?
Yes, sir.
What is mass of the cannon? 10 cube
10 cube kg into VC into V
minus
V
mb
cap.
50 kg into
50 into 600.
VB.
630. 3000.
So
Sorry.
the question asked is what? Then which velocity will be? Now this one is given as 600, right? Velocity of the bomb is given as 600, right?
Yes, sir.
So I'll take it as 600 I cap because I'm taking it is going in a forward positive x direction. Okay. Anything you can take. It's not necessary. Some VB cap. Okay. Got it? VB cap.
Yes, sir.
Velocity of the bomb direction. 600 meters per second into its direction. Got it? Got it or not?
Got it.
Yes, sir.
So So VC vector will be how much? This 10 cube, if you send it to the right side, what will happen? VC vector is equal to minus 50 into 600 divided by 10 cube. That is 100, 0, 0 cancel, 0, 0 cancel, 0, 0 cancel. The answer is minus 30 into VB cap, right? That means VC vector can be written as minus 30 into, sorry, instead of minus 30, I will write it as 30 into minus VB cap. That means whatever the direction of cannon is, opposite to the direction of bomb.
Ball.
Got it? This
The
minus.
bomb.
What is the magnitude? But tell me.
So magnitude will be 30, sir.
30 units. 30 units
Yes,
is
sir.
30 meter per second. Got it?
Yes.
That's it. The question is asked. So if velocity is getting asked, then that can be minus 30 meter per second. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir, magnitude it is asked only 30 meter per second.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Got it.
Then can we solve this kind of questions? Sure.
Yes, sir.
Another question, 22nd question. Shall I solve once? A 1 kg stationary bomb is exploded in 2 parts having mass ratio 1:1:3. 1 kg stationary bomb exploded into 1:1:3. Parts having same mass move in perpendicular directions with velocity that this is quality. One of the year this kind, exactly this kind of question is asked in NEET. Okay. One of the parts having same mass move in perpendicular direction. That means 1k this equal parts move in perpendicular directions. Then the velocity of the bigger part will be. Question asked is if only magnitude it is given because it is not given in the vector direction. Okay. Velocity of this 1:1:3. This 3-part. What is the velocity? Got it? So this velocity is given as 30 meter per second in one direction. This velocity is given as 30 meter per second in the perpendicular direction. Got it? So first, if I have to divide it into 1:1:3, can I take it as 1/5 is to 1/5 is to 3/5? Can I take?
Can take it, sir.
Because 5 parts I divided. So first part is 1/5. Second
Yes,
part
sir.
is 1/5 kg. Third part is 3/5. If you add, you will get again 5/5 1 kg. Get it?
Yes, sir.
But another part it is given is this 2 are
Understood,
going.
sir.
What, Drupada?
Perpendicular.
Sir,
Do you have any doubts? So how I am taking is, I am taking the bomb is at the horizon. Okay.
hello, sir.
Did you have any doubts?
No, sir. No, sir.
Here I am taking the bomb is at the horizon and 2 parts, equal parts are going in perpendicular. So that's why I'm taking X and Y because you can take anything. I'm just to make it clear for perpendicular directions. I'm taking in X and Y directions. Okay. You can take any perpendicular direction, but I'm taking for easy purpose. I'm taking 2 perpendicular directions. Positive X direction and positive Y direction. Okay. So 1/3 kg, 1/5 kg is going in this direction and 1/5 kg is going in this direction. The speed is 30 meter per second in this direction. The speed is 30 meter per second in this direction. So now what is I'm clearly, if I am a physics student, directly I will say the other part should go in somewhere like this direction, isn't it? To make the momentum 0, isn't it? Tell me.
Sir, I didn't understand, sir.
One part is going in this direction, one part is going in this direction. The resultant momentum will be like this, right? Somewhat for both of them. Isn't it?
Sir, yes, sir. Resultant will be opposite to that. If we add, then it will cancel each other, sir.
Then the 3 by 5 kg mass should go in the opposite direction to cancel that momentum. Got it?
Yes, sir.
That's it. In physics student, he can answer. But sir, I am trying to draw in a mathematical form just to see. So that means what? Initial momentum is 0, final should be 0, right? Final moment is what? 1 by 5 kg into 30 I cap. Got it? Plus 1 by 5 kg into 30 J cap plus 3 by 5 kg into V3 vector is equal to 0. Are you getting this or not? M1 V1 vector plus M2 V2 vector plus M3 V3 vector. I'm making them to be 0. Got it? Tell me. So 3 by 5
It's understanding, sir.
V3 vector is equal to, this goes in the right side. That is minus 30 by 5 I cap minus 30 by 5 J cap. So this 5 6 0, this 5 6 0. So the answer will be, otherwise, sorry. I'll keep 30 30 like this. This 5 5 5 gets cancelled. So 3 goes with 10 times. This goes with 10 times. The answer is what? V3 vector is equal to minus 10 I cap minus 10 J cap. That means how much? The resultant will be like this, minus 10 I cap minus 10 J cap. The resultant will be exactly like this. Okay. That will be equal to 10 root 2. Magnitude is what? Root over x component square plus y component square. That is root over 10 square plus 10 square. That is equal to 10 root 2 meter per seconds. Got it? Third velocity
Got it, sir.
magnitude. But we can easily say the direction will be exactly opposite to the resultant of this. If diagram is given, exactly opposite to that resultant.
Understood, sir.
To make it 0. Got it? If sometimes mains or neat, I don't remember, angle is asked. What is the angle? From the first vector, the angle is how much? 90 plus 45. Because this is 10 by 10, right? Tan theta is equal to how much? 10 by 10. That is 45 degrees, right? So this is 45. This is 90. That means the angle making with first vector is 135. Again, this is 45. Sorry, this is 90. This is 45. The angle made with the second vector is also 135. Got it? Sometimes the question is asked like this: what is the angle made by the third particle, velocity of the third particle with the first particle or second particle? The angle is 135 degrees. Got it? If exactly similar question is asked.
Got it, sir.
One of the year this question is asked: what is the angle made by? I don't remember whether it is mains or not. Neat. Just a minute.
Sir, this is which chapter, sir?
This is a you will find it in Newton's laws of motion. This you will have the subtopic of conservation of momentum.
Yes, sir.
And in 32 years book also you will find this question. Work and energy also you will find. Okay. So work and energy, one example question I'll say. Okay. Do you have 32 years book?
We have.
Can you open it now? Once.
Yes, sir. Page number, sir.
Page number 52.
Yes, sir.
Question number 39.
39 question.
39 question. You can see that question. Can you see that 39?
Yes, sir.
I'm
We
ticking.
can see, sir.
Wait. I'll tick you the questions.